Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in the simplest possible way. In our previous videos, we have seen some of the basic data types and some of the advanced data types. Specifically, in advanced data types, we have seen ordered collections. In this video, we will be seeing some more advanced data types which are unordered collections. In Python, we have two different unordered collections. One is set and another one is dictionary, also represented with dict. So, to go further and understand why and how they are represented, why they are called as unordered collections. If I take this type method to know which type of set is in Python is represented with curly braces. With curly braces in Python, if you represent with simply this kind of a curly braces, you will be getting answer as dict. So, if you wanted to know how set is represented, you have to pass at least one element inside of this curly braces. Let's say I am passing this element as 4. So, I am getting the answer as set. So by this, you can understand that in Python, set and dictionary all both are represented with curly braces. If you wanted to mention this is a set and you need to pass at least one element. If you don't want to pass any element, at that time you will be getting the result as dictionary. So we'll be understanding why set is unordered collections. Let's say in our list, let's say we generally represent with our list as something like this. This in this list, you consider we have. Let us consider it as my list. So in my list, I am having some of the duplicate elements. If you carefully observe here, I am having these duplicate elements. If I wanted to print this my list, I am getting these duplicate elements. Instead, I am having something called as my set, and this set is represented with curly braces. I am copying these elements. I am putting inside of my set. So now this is considered as set. Check this type. My set. My set is of set type, and if I wanted to print this my set, what I'm getting, if you carefully observe, I am not getting the duplicate elements, I am getting only unique elements. So because of that reason, in the process of removing duplicate elements, set is not considered as ordered collections. If you wanted to access these elements by using indexing, you will get some kind of an error. Let's see how what we will get. Let's say I wanted to access element, let me maybe of 0th index. So what I will get? I am getting set object is not subscriptable. Subscriptable means as we are mentioning inside of this braces, right? So this is called subscripting. So when we are passing 0 index wanted to access, at that time I am getting this kind of an error which says that you cannot access these set elements by using indexing. So because of that reason, it is called unordered collections. So that is about the set. Going further, we will understanding about dictionary. Dictionary in Python is stored as key value pair. So if you have seen any of the dictionary, let's say Oxford dictionary, any kind of dictionary that you may come across, in all these dictionary we have found some kind of a pattern which is of the word that we wanted to know and its meaning. So this is a combination of word and meaning. In similarly in Python we have key value pairs. So let's go further and understand how these are represented. I have my dict. So in my dict, what I will be having is, let's say I wanted to store the students and their marks. I have 5 students and their roll numbers from 1 to 5, and they will see what they have got. So key is represented with any kind of data, either it may be integer type or either it may be string type. To represent key value pair, in middle I am mentioning something as colon. So by representing this colon, we are differentiating this first one as my key and the second element that I am giving as my value. This is considered as key value pair. Similarly, I have 5 different students. Second student got 60 and third student got 70, and fourth student got again 60, and fifth student got again maybe 30, 30. So if we can, so if we see what this type, we can see by using my dict type pass my dict passing this type. So I will be getting answer as dict. This is of type dict. That is what I am getting in here. So if I want to access these elements, we cannot access these elements by using indexing. Rather, we can actually accessing these by using keys. So here the keys that we are having is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5. These are the keys that we are having, and these are all the values, so 50, 60, 70, 60, and 30. So I wanted to access this first element. I can access by using, again we can access through this braces. So I wanted to access this particular thing, particular per key value of 50. I can access that by using this particular key, which is of 1. Let's say I wanted to access this 60. If I wanted to access this 60, I will be using my dict of, tell me what is this key. Key is 4. So I can able to access this particular 60. So by this, we came to the end of this video. We have discussed what are sets, what are dictionaries, and how they are considered as unordered collections. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video interesting, click on this like button. For more this kind of videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.